SLC update for the 12th of October. This is the S&P chart on H4. Your MR1 is 3,555. So that's where I think it's going to target. You see how it coincides with the high. This could be a strong resistance, and you see the risk calculation in the morning. And we're above monthly pivot, and technically we're pretty good as well. Strong on the high time frames, not so good on the minute 1 and minute 5. So just remember to keep an eye on your indices, because that's going to impact our signals and sentiment generally. Quick look at pound, because we're at the 23.6. If you were to rewind these videos back to a week, I was saying how it was going to get to the 23.6, and then it would find some resistance and then come back down again. So keep an eye on where we are right now, 13041. So this is going to be a tricky level. I think we probably hit the target, to be honest, because you see how we've had a lower high. This is a weekly chart, and so I think we could probably find some resistance up here. So keep an eye on 13041. It could well be bullish, and we could test the 0%, and we could probably rally even more perhaps, because the pound bubble's really moved, and this is a bullish harmonic. So I'll just quickly go through AJ. Don't forget your pink line is your monthly pivot, so keep an eye on that. Above 76.61, 76.14, we're a buy at the high level, and they're selling. AU, 72.50, 72.08, again, it's a buy, slightly buying, so we have to be a bit careful. EA, monthly pivots there, 163.56. You can see the monthly pivots on the search tool. Above 165.98, 163. EU, 118.36, 117.99. We are a buy. They're selling, but they stopped selling, so we have to be a little bit careful. The signal's down, as you can see. Monthly pivots there, 117.80. We potentially come down and test it, but we are a buy sentimentally. GU, remember that level that I was saying, we have just taken out the SLC, so it's 13041, remember. That's where I think that's like the target in speech marks, the big banks, because it's a key Fibonacci on the weekly basis. Your monthly pivot's 13026, below 1.3. We are a buy, and they were selling, but they stopped selling, just like the EU. So yeah, a little bit of care. If they buy it, then it can come down. So 13041, remember that level if you're trading this. And don't forget we've got Brexit negotiations as well, so it's going to be very tricky. NU, 66.75 and 66.43. I'm just going to zap through these today. 125.10, 124.56, buy, we are a buy. So they're holding on short. Because of that, it should come up. So I think we might get that SLC, and then we can potentially bounce. Pound Yen, 138.15 and 137.37. Sell at the high level, and they're buying. So you have to be a bit careful. Keep an eye on your monthly pivot there, 137.32. UJ, 106.10 and 105.39. Sell, and they're really going long at that point, so that's quite bearish actually. Going to continue down, and your monthly pivot's 105.34. The way that sentiment's going, we're going to crack that monthly pivot quite easily, I think. Dollar CAD above 131.45 and 130.98. We are a sell. They're really going long at that point, as you've probably seen last week's videos, but at that point it was a pretty good sell opportunity. So dollar Swiss, 91.25 and 90.89. And last but not least, gold. I'm not going to show you the SLC below because it's so far away, it's ridiculous. It's $1,000 away, but the one above is 1935.5. We're above monthly pivot, and they're selling over time, and it is actually a buy at the high level. So just a quick one, just going to make these videos 5 minutes long. I find that if they go on too long, then people don't watch to the end. So I'm going to make it 5 minutes, and I'll be back tomorrow, and I'm going to be a bit more hands-off, like a spreadsheet creator, owner sort of way of approaching the QuasiDB. So I'm here if you need me, but I'm going to be a bit more hands-off because I'm going to be like an admin, and I've got a side project to do on the spreadsheet, which is like a new development. So I'm going to work on that, and I'll speak to you guys tomorrow. Have a good day.